Good morning, class. I hope everyone had a nice and enjoyable spring break. Welcome back. Today is the first day, official day of spring, and we are a little more than halfway through the class and gearing up towards, building towards May. Again, I hope everybody came back relaxed and fresh and ready to finish out the semester strong. I just posted the information for week 9, the chapter 9 PowerPoint as well as the video. We are doing a class discussion this week on the case Burger Boy that is in your textbook. Again, I left instructions on the details on the case and everything. Again, as usual with these types of things, your initial post is due by Thursday night. And then you will need to respond to at least 2 classmates by Sunday night. So again, all the details are in there, so make sure that you read that. I really appreciate everybody submitting checkpoint number 1. While you were on spring break last week, just in case you didn't see it, I went ahead and posted your grades for checkpoint number 1. And I specifically created a video like this for each one of you. So if you click on checkpoint number 1, you will see a little, about a minute and a half video that I created for each of you, offering you feedback on what I observed and how you can improve going into checkpoint number 2. So if you have any specific questions about checkpoint number 1, please don't hesitate to let me know. But again, all your questions should be answered in the video. But if not, send me an email and I'd be happy to answer any specific questions. Just this morning, I posted the details for checkpoint number 2. It will be due on Sunday, April the 23rd. So you have a little more than a month to work on it. So you got plenty of time. Just like I did for checkpoint number 1, I also listed for you in the module a quality paper and the one that needs work. The quality paper earned an A, and it was from a student in a previous semester. And the needs work was also from a student in a previous semester who did not earn an A. So again, I just wanted you to provide, just like I did for number 1, provide you some details so you know what my expectations are. So now, like a lot of you for checkpoint number 1 kind of use the template that I provided for checkpoint number 1 and use that to write your own. I'm perfectly fine with that, and in some ways, I actually encourage you, because that way you will make sure that you cover everything that I'm hoping that you will. So for the quality paper that I posted for checkpoint number 2, use that as a guideline to help you create your own. You take the data that you created in 1, and then you apply it to number 2, and then expand upon it per the instructions. So again, Sunday, April 23rd. You have a little bit over a month to start working on it. But again, I highly, highly, highly encourage you not to wait till that weekend before, just to make sure you aren't able to, you don't run behind, so to speak. So hopefully that will be good for you. If you're, and one additional thing, if you are in the graduate section only, I know you just submitted paper number 1 yesterday. I will have those grades for you later this week. And then also for the graduate students only, I just posted the details for paper number 2 that is listed for you. That is going to be due on Sunday, April the 30th. So if you're a graduate student and you have any questions about paper number 2, please don't hesitate to let me know. So again, I went back and made sure that all grades are up to date. So I know a couple of you had submitted a couple of things. I'll make sure I get those graded this week. But if you have any zeros anywhere, and you were unable to complete an assignment for whatever reason, you got sick, you work, school, whatever it is. I hate it when students have zeros. So if you have any assignment where you received a 0 because you didn't complete it, send me an email if you would like to complete it and make up those points. We can work out an arrangement where you can make up those points. So again, I hate to see anybody have a 0. So again, only if you have a 0, send me an email and maybe we can work out so you can at least earn partial points back so you don't lose all of those. But again, I'm very pleased with the way the class is going. Everybody's doing a great job. Keep up the good work, and let's start moving towards. We have in a couple of weeks exam number 2 coming up, and then we have the final exam at the very end of the semester. So a couple of strong opportunities in addition to the 2 checkpoints for you to earn a lot more points to get the grade that you want. But as always, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks everyone, and go Pokes!